Hey there, welcome to our new video. Today we're diving into an interesting problem that can occur when working with C programs. The problem we're tackling involves a small C program that aims to check if a pointer falls within a specific section called cost_heap. Now let's shift our focus to the solution for the issue we just discussed. The key to resolving this problem lies in a clever workaround that involves tweaking the preprocessor settings. By including a snippet of code that conditionally handles the attribute macro based on the compiler being used, we can ensure that the program runs smoothly across different compilers. Continuing with the solution, we delve deeper into the modified program code that incorporates the preprocessor adjustments. By updating the code to handle the attribute macro differently depending on the compiler, we overcome the issues faced with TCC. This ultimately allows us to successfully compile and run the C program, achieving the desired functionality of checking pointer locations within the cost_heap section. In summary, we've explored a common problem encountered in C programming related to accessing specific memory sections and provided a comprehensive solution by leveraging preprocessor directives. By making these adjustments, we ensure compatibility across different compilers and enable the program to function as intended. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.